Hello guys, I'm Lilitos from Matallana University. Today I'm gonna teach you how to solve for interest, principal value, rate, and time in simple interest problems. This is the triangle of simple interest. For example, the interest is missing. You're gonna just tap it with your hand, and there you get the formula. For example, interest is missing. Just cover it with your hand, and there it is, the formula: P times R times T. So I have 4 examples. One is missing its interest, missing its time, rate. The other missing its rate, and missing its principal value. So first, I'm gonna read the first problem. If you invest 3,500 in savings account that pay 4% simple interest, how much interest will you earn after 3 years? Will the new balance be? What will the new balance be? So in that case, the interest is missing. 3,500 is our principal value. The rate is 4%. The time is 3 years, and this is what we are missing, the interest. So the formula for that is I interest is equals to P times R times I. So just substitute it. So if you have scientific calculator, just put it in 3,500 times 0.04 times 3. So you will get $420. 420 in the scientific calculator. Dollars, because in the problem, dollars is the amount. So that's how you get the interest. In that problem, the interest is 420. Problem number 2. You borrow $6,000 from a loan shark. If you will owe $7,200 in 18 months, what would be the simple interest rate? So in that problem, the rate is missing. So principal value is equal to 6,000. Rate is missing. Time is 1.5. Why 1.5? Because in the given problem, 18 months is given. So we have to calculate that into years. 12 months, 1 year have 12 months. So if you subtract 18 minus 12, you have 6. Then when you have 6, that is a half of a year. So that's what we get, 1.5. So and the interest is 7,600. The formula for that is rate is equals to I over PT, or rate is equals to interest over principal value times time. So just substitute it. Rate is equals to 7,200 over 6,000 times 0.15. Then just put it in your scientific calculator. Just put this in your scientific calculator. Then if you put this first, you will get 90. If you multiply 6,000 to 0.15, 0.015, you will get 90. then divide it, you will get 80. Never mind the percent, you will just got 80. Then just put percent sign because you are looking for the rate. Is that clear? Proceeding to problem number 3. An investment earned $11.25 after 9 months. The rate was 5%. What was the principal value? In that problem, the principal value was missing. So the principal value was missing, and the rate is 5%. The time is 9 months. The interest is 11.25. The formula for the principal value is interest over rate times time. So just substitute principal value is equals to 11.25 times 0.8 times 0.5. Just put it in your scientific calculator. Scientific calculator is very important in these kinds of problem. It will help you a lot. So after putting this into your scientific calculator, this is what you get. Never mind the dollar sign. You will get $2,081.25. 200. Sorry, my bad. So $281.25 is the principal value. So proceeding to the last problem. Problem number 4. A loan of $1,200 had $36 in interest. The rate was 6%. What was the length of the loan? In this problem, we are looking for the time because what was the length of the loan? How long will be the loan will get paid? So in that case, I am ready for that. Principal value is equals to 1,200. The rate is 6%. Time, this is what we're looking for. Interest is $36. The formula for time is interest over principal value times R. Just substitute it like we did in the other problems. Then we get time is equals to 36 over 1,200 times 0.6. Then put this in your scientific calculator. You will get 0.5. You will get this 0.5. Then 0.5 or 5. 0.5 means half. So in a year, we have 12 months. So the half of that is 6 months. That is when we get 6 months. So the time in the last problem is 6 months. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you enjoy and you have learned. Shout out to Sir Jomari Moreno. I will miss you, sir. Love you. Peace out.